Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to apply to Denmark to work as a doctor after MBBS and what are the documents that are required and how to apply. The next step, how to apply to EPIC and how to apply to DPSA, and after the visa, how to process your visa, and after arrival, how you can do different type of jobs and what jobs you can do. And then there is language exam and medical exam. Basically, the process is that after verification your documents from EPIC and approval from DPSA, then you have to apply for the visa, and then you come to Denmark and learn the language and do jobs other than medical jobs. And after that you have to clear the language exam, and after clearing the language exam you have to clear the medical exam. And at the end I'll tell you what are the total expenses in this process. So the first step is documents required. Which are the documents that are required for the DPSA or authorization as a medical doctor in Denmark? The first one is degree, MBBS degree, then transcript in which hours of each subject are mentioned, and then license, which can be provisional or permanent license. You have to have these documents, and then you have to apply and establish an EPIC account. So how to establish an EPIC account? Here is the official website of EPIC. The link is given already in the comment. So here this option comes, establish an EPIC account. You can establish it by yourself while clicking on this link in the description. There is another video I will upload soon. You can watch that and get guidance from that to how to establish your EPIC account, and then how to upload your documents. When you upload your documents and EPIC verify your documents from university and license from the medical council, for example in Pakistan, PMDC. So the EPIC send email to your university, your college, and verify your degree and transcript, and also they send an email about your license to your medical council to verify your license, which can be provisional or permanent. Once your documents are verified, EPIC will automatically send your documents, these 3 documents, to DPSA, which is Danish Patient Safety Authority, through an email. And at the same time you have to apply to DPSA. These 2 and 3 steps can be done at the same time. You establish your account and you apply to DPSA. So how you can apply to DPSA application? Here is the official website of Danish Patient Safety Authority. Here the first option comes as application and assessment of qualification. The link is given in the description below, so you can come from there. The process is explained very well. It's very simple process. It tells you what are the documents required and what is the application fee. The application fee for the DPSA application is 3,508. There is no special documents that are required for the DPSA application. It will need your identity, ID card, and your CV. You have to make a CV to upload it. And there is the application form. You can watch my another video of how to fill the application form. So after applying to DPSA, then you have to wait for around 4 to 6 months. They will process your documents, and after processing they will send an approval letter. After getting the approval letter, the next step is you have to apply for the visa. So how to apply for the visa? You have to search in Google new to Denmark. After coming to this page, the first option you want to apply, click on that, then scroll down to work, then scroll down to authorization. Here you will apply for your visa. So what are the documents required and what is the bank statement? For example, bank statement required for the visa is around 17 lakh and PKR or $6,000, and there is the visa fee which is 2,255 crowns, which is Danish currency. Other necessary things like documents and other things that are required for the DPSA application would be mentioned in another video. You can watch it or you can apply directly in this link. Okay, after getting visa, then you will come to Denmark and search for odd jobs like delivery or whatever, because in the initial months, if you don't have language proficiency, then you have to work as a waiter or delivery guy to financially support yourself. And then there is language exam. So after coming to Denmark, you have to learn your language and you will attend language classes for that also. So you have to clear the language. Most people clear the language in 1 to 2 years. After clearing the language exam, then you have to clear medical exam. And after clearing the medical exam, you will be eligible to work as a doctor, licensed doctor in Denmark. So what are the total expenses? The total expenses, for example, establishing Epic account and verifying your documents. Establishing Epic account will cost you $130, and verification of one document will cost you 100. So 300 and $130. So $430 on Epic account. DPSA application will cost you 3,508 crowns. You can convert it into dollar or your own currency, and it is about $600. Then visa application is 2,255 crowns. And then you have to arrange your ticket, which from Pakistan it costs around 2 lakh and 250. So, and for the visa you will need bank statement, which is around $6,000 per one person. So this was total expenses.